Today we're making the famous Dalgona coffee all over TikTok and social media. First thing you need is 2 tablespoons of instant coffee or 3 of those slim packs. As you can see, I'm putting them into my stand mixer. You can mix this by hand or do it by stand mixer. If you're lazy like me, do it with a hand or stand mixer. I put the coffee in there first to break it down. And again, 3 little packs of that. You're also going to need 2 tablespoons of sugar. Again, I want the 2 to incorporate, and then 2 tablespoons of warm water, not hot, warm water. And you're going to let this guy do the mixy mix for 6 to 9 minutes. Now I did this with piping hot water and this was the result. It doesn't look as spectacular. It tasted good, but it wasn't the magic, the Zaza zoo of what you see on these Instagram or TikTok photos. It was just kind of like, it's okay. And here it is. As you can see, it's like a 7 to 9 minute process depending what speed you're going. I think I went with like a speed 8 for this, and I really let the mixer do the work. And the consistency that you're looking for here is that it's got to be like a liquid marshmallow. And that is the color that we're looking for, guys. Look at that. That is gorgeous. Okay, guys, and this is how you're supposed to prepare it. A lot of ice in a glass or a mug, some milk, whatever kind of milk you want. I used a generous amount. And then the star of the show, we are going to put this on top. Again, it's like a liquid marshmallow consistency. And yet you just build it, and it looks really impressive as well. The taste of this, it doesn't have an instant coffee taste. It tastes more like candy or like a caramel sort of candy. It is really nice. I have been missing going to Starbucks the last many weeks because I'm at home. But this really is kind of like a fancy sort of Starbucks drink in the comfort of your home, and very easy to make, like probably like less than 10 minutes, but very delicious and kind of like hints and notes of caramel. So hopefully you guys have enjoyed this video. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.